Oil's in the low 90s, the VIX just jumped 7.52% in a single session, and the president is posting the words, economic warfare, so the quiet tape you've gotten comfortable with is the thing at risk going into next week's PCE print and Nvidia's numbers. I'm Max Sterling. This is your StockStory market ritual, for minutes, the numbers, and what they're hiding. Here's the stakes question: if geopolitics is now steering this market instead of AI, who's actually positioned for it? Because the trade that worked for 6 weeks, buy tech, sell volatility, ignore the headlines, just stopped working. When a Truth Social post about Iran can push Brent into the low 90s and drag every index red on the same day, the people short volatility and long the consumer are the ones who get hurt. And today, both of those got hurt at the same time. The receipts. The Dow took the worst of it, down 1.32% to 52,759, roughly 700 points. The S&P fell 0.87% to 7,641. The Nasdaq dropped 1% to 26,067. And the tell wasn't the indices, it was the VIX, up 7.52% to 16.01, waking up hard off oil and war headlines. Underneath, the rotation was defensive and ugly. Energy managed to lead, but barely, up 0.27%, with real estate up 0.2%. The losers tell the real story: healthcare down 1.87%, consumer discretionary down 1.61%, consumer staples down 1.41%. Walmart's disappointing outlook hit the consumer directly. Advance Auto Parts collapsed 24.55% to $42.39. Moderna gave back 23.55% to $133.32 after its moonshot. The bright spots were narrow and speculative: Mara up 15.54% on the crypto squeeze, Iovance up 12.52%. Now, the scoreboard, and I'm not going to dress it up. Yesterday I called technology to bounce green today. It didn't. Tech finished down 0.29%, a miss. That's on me, and it drops the running record to 18 to 26. I'm losing more than I'm winning right now, and I'm not going to pretend otherwise. Here's my read. The VIX complacency story we've tracked for 6 straight sessions just broke. The tape that kept crushing volatility back under 15 finally got a catalyst it couldn't ignore, and it repriced 7.52% in a day. That's not a crash. It's a wake-up. What I'm watching isn't the oil headline itself, it's whether the sector rotation sticks. Money leaving healthcare and consumer names and hiding in energy and real estate is a defensive posture, and defensive postures don't reverse in one green morning. I got burned calling the tech bounce because I was fighting that rotation. I'm done fighting it until the VIX tells me it's over. So here's tomorrow's gradable call, and I'm logging it. With oil elevated and PCE looming, I think the VIX holds above 15 and does not melt back under it. The complacency trade doesn't get its floor back this fast. Logging it. Come back and grade me, I owe you a few wins. Same time tomorrow. Subscribe so the ritual finds you.